What is up, y'all? So we are fixing to check out.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've ever slept on hotel beds before.
They suck.
Yeah, because our backs are wrecked.
Well, where we're at, this is probably the newest hotel, and it's 40 years old. So, that gives you any idea.
I mean, I've enjoyed the visit back home, but I hate to say it, but I'm ready to sleep on my own bed.
Me too.
But anyway, y'all have a good one. We're gonna try and get out of here and make some money and go back to the house before the rain comes again.
Yup.
Bye. Ooh.